In today's video, I'll teach you how to connect Samsung Smartwatch on Komoot app. First of all, launch open Komoot application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you'll be led to your profile interface. What you have to do is access the settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now, you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for connections, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, Bluetooth connect, that you can see at second. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to connect Komoot with supported Bluetooth devices. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find this option for Samsung Galaxy Watch. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, Komoot wants to turn on Bluetooth. Tap on this option, allow. Now after the Bluetooth is enabled, what you have to do is simply open the Komoot app on your Samsung watch. After you do that, tap on the option connect phone and then tap on the option connect. Once connected, you'll see Komoot's navigation instructions on your Samsung watch when navigating a route. So like this, you'll be able to connect it. So that is how you connect Samsung smartwatch on Komoot app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.